Hello guys, my name is John. I would like to show you how to use a Samsara app. So these are our vehicle boxes. We have one box for each vehicle. So this is the super coaches. I just open it and it has tablet on it, tablet in it, and a tablet charger and other stuff like business cards, paper receipts, or other stuff. So you need to keep them with yourself. You need to take them. You might need to use it in your run. So when you just it is just on. If it's off, you just need to click on that button and hold it for a few seconds, and it will turn it on automatically. We're just gonna swipe it up, and the PIN number is 5644. So Samsara app is for only Class B chauffeurs, Class B vehicles, which is 28 passengers, Supercoach, Grade 49, and the Sprinter. So if you would like to drive one of those vehicles, you have to do Samsara driver app. I'm just gonna go right there, and we have three different boxes. The first one must be Men in Black Transport, which is the company's name. And right over here, there is username and the password. Those two are the same ones with you use Limo Anywhere login. So if you have a username and a password that is given by MIB, you are going to use the same one right over here. I just made mine. I'm gonna say my username is test and my password is 0000. I will sign in, and it might give those kind of things. Okay, it says you have 3 uncertified logs, prevent, certify, or skip. So this is just a little bug of the application. We are trying to solve it. As soon as we do, we will let you know. But for that, you can just review and certify, and you can say agree. That is okay. I mean, you are not going to be hurt. So like I said, that was the super coach. So I'm going to choose super coach in the list. I will say confirm. And then, so right now we have 6 sections. Say this vehicle has unassigned driving time. Claim your segments from past week to add them to your log. So, like I said, I just made mine. I mean, I'm not a chauffeur like you guys, so that's why that gave that warning. It will not do it with you. So we have 6 sections here, but the one you are going to use is DVIR, the green one. You are just going to click on DVIR and you are going to create DVIR. And when you click on it, it gives 2 options. You will say switch to on duty, and you are going to click on create DVIR once again, and you are going to say tractor only. So when you say that, if you can see vehicle is supercoach, vehicle VIN number, and inspection type. So if you have filled out pre-trip and post-trip before with our sedan cars, like the MKTs, sedans, SUVs, you already know it. So if you have a run and if you need to do your DVIR, you need to click on pre-trip first, and then I chose the inspection type, and right over here it says walk around. For example, this little, very yellow bucket is our supercoach, for example. And right over here, if you can see front, back, driver side, and the passenger side, it says. I will click on it, and we'll say take a photo. And I will take a photo of our supercoach. Oh, wait a second. So that was the first one. Okay, that was the front one. So that is the front of the supercoach. I took it. Okay, it uploads, and that is okay. And the back one, I will walk around I will walk around, take a picture of the vehicle's back, driver's side, let's say, click, on the passenger side. There you go. So you are almost done, and then, if there, by the way, so it says walk around, but if there is anything unusual, if there is anything suspicious, for example, that is the super coach and that black thing, that black sign was not right there, or that was a damage here. So you can just go right there, that was the passenger side. You're just gonna go right there and take a picture very close, and you can specify, you can text us, and then you will start the vehicle. You started it, and you will click on the add remove vehicle defects, and you will start to check the vehicle. Right over here we have a very long list: lights, tires, AC, air compressor, airlines, battery, belts, brake accessories, clutch, engine, exhaust, horn, mirrors, a lot of things. So if there is any defects, for example, this is our supercoach and the lights don't work. Which one? Let's say left headlight. I will just click on it, take a photo, take a picture, and we'll say this is left headlight, or driver's side headlight. If there is any problem with battery, most likely panel says. I will take a photo, a panel of the panel, and I will specify, for example, it says low battery or something like that, you know. For example, horn just does not work. You cannot take a photo of the horn that doesn't work, but you can say it doesn't work. Or windows, for example, cracked window. You can just go right there, you can take a photo of the window, that's the cracked side, and you can take a picture of it and you can upload it, and then you can say middle passenger side, middle, okay. And if there is anything you cannot find here, you can just click on other. You can take a picture, and if there are a lot, when you take a picture, it gives another chance to take another picture. So when you click on it, for example, that was for defluid, for example. I took a picture of it. I will say def not enough, and a comma, and then another one. Okay, so take a picture, take a photo, take the picture of another defect, and when you upload it, specify the second one, please. For example, scratch. Okay, and if there is more, you're gonna just click on a comma and then another picture and another description, and you are done. When you are done, you are just going to click on done, and you are already okay. So you are going to click on next, and it's asking if it is safe or unsafe. So if it is safe, I'm going to click on save and certify and save, and once again you are done. It says already pre-trip on Supercoach, the date and the time if you can see, 1:50 p.m., 1:50 p.m. So those are the last pre-trips and the post-trips of Supercoach. When you are done, you are going to do the exactly same. If you have any collision, of course you need to specify that. If you have any damage, if something hits the vehicle, any leather or something like that, so you're just going to click on post-trip and you are going to take the pictures again. And if there is any defects, especially for the extra ones, you are going to click on it, you are going to choose take the pictures, specify with the comments, and if there is not anything here that you are looking for, you are just going to click on other, take a picture, and specify in the comment section. And when you are done, you are going to click on done and then next. And if it's safe, yes, I left it safe, and the certify and save, and once again you are done. And then you are going to come back home and you are going to sign out. So you are already okay. So when you've done that, especially for the Class B chauffeurs, those are the very important things, and you just have to do it. But when you are done, you need to bring your vehicle in front of the office to right over here. So when you bring your vehicle here, please check the vehicle inside and outside. Do your post trip here, and after that, check for cleaning. If it is clean, leave it clean. If it's not clean, please clean it. So for example, there might be some crumbles, trashes, something like that. We have a very big vacuum cleaner. It has extension cord on it. It may go everywhere, almost everywhere. I used it in the Supercoach and it's completely okay. It can just reach at the end of the bus. So I tried it before, and you need to vacuum your vehicle before you leave. And we have a bucket also. We have two mops. You just need to fill it up. You just need to put some chemical in it, and when you are done, when you prepared your bucket, you just need to mop the floor of your vehicle, of Supercoach, of 28 passengers, whatever you used. So you did your vacuum, you did your mop, and you had dust, cleaned the dust of the seats. We have some sprays and the racks. So when you are done, you are okay. You can just go right there, park your vehicle, and you can bring your bring the key of the vehicle. If there is anything you would like to talk to me, if there is any problem, if you have any suggestion, you can just let me know. I'm gonna be here at least 3 days a week. Sometimes I might not be here. Usually I take care of all the mechanic stuff. So if I'm not here, you can just let this dispatcher know. So they're gonna tell me, they're gonna text me. Yeah, that'll be all. Thank you for watching. Please do your Samsara. Please don't forget, this is one part of your duty. Like, you are going to pick up people, drop off people, you are going to drive safe, you are going to leave the vehicle washed and cleaned. All of them parts of your duty. So everything is small, but you need to complete your duty. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.